Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove the header section on any page on your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account and click on Websites. Now, next to the website that you want to hide the header section on any page on, click on this Edit Website button. And this is my website in Hostinger Website Builder. And first, let's give it a visit. As you see, this page and all the pages on this website shows this white header section. Now, how to remove this white header section? It's simple. Just go to the website builder, then select the header section with your mouse, and here next to edit header, click on this eye icon. You will see those three options. As you see, you can hide the header just on this page. You can hide it on all pages. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. You will see those three options. As you see, you can hide the header just on this page. You can hide it on all pages, and you can show on all pages. Let's go with hide on this page, which is the website. Yes, which is the home page. Or instead of this home page, let's show on all pages. Then I will jump to this sustainability page, or let's update it, or yes, sustainability page. Now select the header, click on the eye, hide just on this page, which is the sustainability. Now don't forget to update your website. Now let's view my new update. As you see, for the home page, nothing changed. For the sustainability, as you see, no more header section. This handcrafted Turkish caps section is different than is not the header section. And if you have it and you want to delete it or remove it, it's just like that. Select this section like this. Same thing, you can edit the visibility like this. Let's hide it on both mobile and desktop. Update. Now let's view, or let's refresh the same page. This is the last one. And as you see, no more header section or top bar in this page. And if you check the website homepage, nothing changed. Or now let's see how to hide or how to remove this white section for all pages or site-wide or on any page. Select this section, click on hide, and now click on hide on all pages. Update. Let's view my website, and as you see, now the home page does not show the header section. Let's open this all products page. Same thing. Here it was hidden, and here let's refresh. And just like that, no more header section. And this is how to hide or remove the header section on any page on your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.